कभी ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि ट्राइबल्स और क्राफ्टमैन्स होंगे, उन्हें मिडलमैन आके उनका बिजनेस ले और सिर्फ उन्हें एक छोटा सा हिस्सा दें, या उनको वैल्यू दी जाएगी टू द वेरी बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड? एंड व्हेन यू फैसिलिटेट इन द होल प्रोसेस, डू यू give them an equity? Do you share the revenue? How does it work?
जितना भी मटेरियल ये देख रहे हैं ये सब उन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स के थ्रू बना हुआ
I
है।
think we all need to support it. I'm going to support myself as well. तो ये है ज्वार का दलिया।
हाँ, ज्वार का दलिया सर, इसमें ज्वार का दलिया रायता।
We have a favorite line, find the girl, we have the gown.
Guys, very good morning. Today we are here covering the Tribals Business Conclave 2025. It is one of the very unique kind of exhibition where Government of India is facilitating the tribals and the craftsmen from all the part of India to come down here and exhibit their products. There are some enablers and federation as well, but it's so unique in the sense that the state governments of every state is coming out with their own federation that is giving the end benefits to the very end beneficiaries. They're sharing the revenues, they're giving the end-to-end facilitation, and they're training them to create their products and outreach it to all the consumer market of India. What a unique place to be. Let's explore. Let's see what is here. All right, so it's a stall number 76 of Mr. Dilip Kumar Boro. Let's have a word with him and see what he has to offer. Hi, Mr. Dilip. Dilip ji, tell us about your products.
The sofa, the dining set, or table, bed, whatever it's, use in your home, then we can make.
So all these furniture are handmade and specifically made in Guwahati. And the craftsmen are tribal.
Yeah, tribal or non-tribal also there. Some village people are there because in our Assam, bamboo canes are available in the jungle.
How do you differentiate cane from bamboo?
You can collect the cane. It goes to Lang jungle. Very hard to collect it. This goes to almost 2-3 kilometers. Also, decent there.
Okay. It's very hard to find bamboo.
Yeah. No cane.
Okay, can.
Bamboo is available. Bamboo is only that goes straight 30-40 feet. That's all. But cane goes to 2-3 kilometers.
So this is bamboo. This is, I presume,
This is also bamboo.
This one is cane.
Cane.
Can you tell us about the prices of these products?
Prices some goes the say this table with glass because I'm from Guwahati. Without glass I'm selling it now. It is 2,500. On this Mura is apple type. This costs 2,200.
Guys, the heritage name for the chair like such is called Moodha. I think in northern India parts, all the villages also called it Moodha.
Yeah. This called in our Assam is Japi.
Japi. And what about the rhinos?
Rhinos it is 250.
850.
250. 250.
250.
And this made of wood.
So this is the lamp. All right. Mr. Dilip will be showing your number on the screen. So
Okay.
all the potential customers would be contacting you directly. And if they wish to buy, they would surely. Thank you for your time. Let's find the next kiosk. Okay, now we have kiosk number 82 and the title is Shri Ananjia Dramix Industries. Let's have a word with the people over here. Hi, कहाँ से आप?
हमारा तेलंगाना सर, कोमरम भीम डिस्ट्रिक्ट, कसीपाबाद हमारा। हम छोटे छोटे बच्चे में प्रेग्नेंट्स वाले को हेल्थ फूड, शुगर बीपी, गर्भवती, हाँ ऐसा वाले को मैं आंगनवाड़ी सेंटर में भेजते हूँ सर।
सारा महिलाएं हैं सारा?
सर महिलाओं को भेजते हैं सर।
तो ये है ज्वार का दलिया?
हाँ, ज्वार का दलिया सर। इसमें ज्वार का दलिया रायता, छिनके का रायता, पल्लील का रायता, आवल, जीलकर, करियापाकू, इंडियन मिर्ची रायता सर। और रेडी टू कुकिंग सर।
अच्छा, ये क्या चीज है?
ये मोवा लड्डू का सर।
क्या होता है इसमें?
हेल्थ
इम्यूनिटी बढ़ते सर।
बढ़ता है। और क्या क्या डाला होता है?
कैल्शियम डालते सर, बादाम, किशमिश, बेल्लम, मोवा लड्डू, तिल, हल्लील,
अच्छा,
बेलम का पाकम डाल के इसके बनाते सर। इससे
ये कैसे सेल करोगे यहाँ पे दिल्ली में?
दिल्ली में फ्लिपकार्ट
फ्लिपकार्ट से कर रखा है रजिस्टर खुद को फ्लिपकार्ट पे?
हाँ सर।
अच्छा, okay, very good. Thank you, ma'am. Guys, they have registered themselves on Flipkart. I will also be sharing their number on screen. You can call them directly. Self-help group of 10 women who are creating these dalia millet products as well as the laddus. And as per them, it is so good for women, for pregnant women and small children. Give it a try. Let's go and see what is next. Okay, now we are here at the stall number 119. The title is Tribe and Tales. Let's go and find out. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Hara.
All right. Hi, Dhara. Tell us why you're here. What do you have to offer?
Okay, so I am the founder of the brand Tribe and Tales. What we do is basically we procure all of our products from the tribal self-help groups and tribal farmers of the Eastern Ghat region, from the Odisha and the Andhra Pradesh region mostly. So we connect all of the self-help groups, mostly women self-help groups, at one place with our brand. So we procure their products, which is right now this is forest honey, tulsi honey, and this is turmeric from Kandhamal, which is GI tagged actually, and this is the ginger. This is the ginger powder. So all of these products are completely natural. There is no chemical or preservatives in them. Without the organic substance, without the any harmful substance which is inside.
Without
of the
any
product.
preservatives and
Without any
chemicals.
preservatives and chemicals.
All right, Dhara, tell us how you're sourcing it, how you identify the right tribal group or the self-help group.
For example, the turmeric which is we are sourcing is from Kasam. It is a very prominent cooperative society which is in Kandhamal. It consists of more than 5,000 tribal farmers.
Are you also giving them direct benefits to the very end of the group?
Yeah. Right now we are a short brand. We started last year. We give them financial benefits also, and for example, what they're lacking is a huge market access,
Outreach, basically.
outreach basically. So that's what we are giving them.
Wow, this is very noble, guys. Entrepreneurship with the hint of upliftment of women, especially the self-help group. The GI tagged are certain products which could be found in that particular specific geographic location. What's the platform? How can they buy it? From
They
where?
can visit us directly on our website www.tribeandtales.com, or they can connect us on Insta.
Sure thing, guys. You'll be already seeing the number of Tribe and Tales and all the details to contact them. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, let's go and see what is there next. Okay, now we are here, kiosk number 122. That is GGS Indraprasth University. Let's just speak with the people, try and find out why they are here, what's the purpose. Hi, what's your name?
रीटा।
Hi, Rita ji. Why you're here? What's the purpose?
आज मैं रिप्रेजेंट करने आई हूँ सर अद्वितीय को। बेसिकली अद्वितीय ने आज कोलैबोरेशन किया है आईपी यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ। अद्वितीय एक एनजीओ है जो डिफरेंशियली एबल स्टूडेंट के साथ वर्क कर रहा है लास्ट 4 ईयर से। आप यहाँ जितना भी मटेरियल ये देख रहे हैं ये सब उन्हीं स्टूडेंट्स के थ्रू बना हुआ है। यही सारा मटेरियल जाता है आगे अद्वितीय को ही दोबारा से स्टैब्लिश करने में।
स्पेशली एबल्ड होते हैं सारे बच्चे?
हाँ, बेसिकली उसमें अलग अलग डिसेबिलिटीज़ हैं, ऑटिज्म, एडीएचडी, माइक्रोसेफेली, एलडी, इंटेलेक्चुअल डिसेबिलिटीज़, सीपी केसेस।
फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटीज भी होती
फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटीज़ हैं, सीपी केस हैं, उसमें सेरेब्रल पाल्सीज के केस हैं, तो वो रहते हैं।
कितने बच्चे हैं अभी आपके एनजीओ में?
अभी मेरे एनजीओ में सर 65 स्टूडेंट्स हैं टोटल मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग में। इनफैक्ट हम जो अभी वर्क कर रहे हैं, हम नॉर्मल सेटअप्स में भी जो बच्चे डिफ़िकल्टीज फेस कर रहे हैं, लाइक लर्निंग में स्पीच इश्यूज आ रहे हैं, उन्हें भी हम इवनिंग में थेरेपी सेशंस देते हैं।
अद्वितीय का मतलब क्या होता है?
अद्वितीय का मतलब है जिसके जैसा कोई ना हो, यूनिक,
Guys, this is a very noble alchemy where the NGO has come and integrated themselves with the students of University School of Biotech. We'll speak with the students as well, how they are helping them to achieve the goals and the upliftment of all these specially abled students. What's your name?
Vanshika Arora.
Vansika, tell me. Why you're here?
Hi. Basically, I'm here from NSS department of our college,
What's the abbreviation for NSS?
National Service Scheme. Basically, we work for noble cause. We held campaigns. We collaborate with people, and today we are for a noble cause. We are supporting Advite and its students.
So basically, this is about tribal community, right? Today's exhibition was about tribal community. So we have especially trained our kids, the Advaita Learning Center kids, to make tribal art for that to shine. The tribal
Did you
art.
visit the center as well?
I have not yet visited because I'm still new, like a new friend to them.
I have visited the center twice, thrice. I have seen those children working so hard into these stuff. They have made those bookmarks, those earrings, these paintings are made by them.
I
Yes.
am Varsha. I'm basically representing both of them. Like my department as well and the Advita as well because Advita is my mom's NGO. So yeah.
So, mother and daughter.
Yeah. Yeah, so
अद्वितीय का आपको ये जितना भी दिख रहा है लोगो और इनफैक्ट ये पूरा बैनर वो सब वर्षा ने डिजाइन किया है। ईच एंड एवरीथिंग जितना भी हमारा पीआर डिपार्टमेंट का होता है वो वर्षा हैंडल करती है। इनफैक्ट वहाँ डांस का करना
All right, Varsha ji बताइए.
okay. I also contribute their social media, the PR thing, the HR thing, and I also teach all of these arts. We have a variety of arts. अभी हम सिर्फ tribal art से limited है. Otherwise, we also do resin art, lippin art, and etc.
Was there some impediment resistance when you approach the colleges or universities, or do they welcome with the open arms?
No, they welcome with me a lot of open arms. Like they are so welcoming.
So welcoming. Okay. Yeah, ma'am. Tell us.
What do you want to know?
Yeah, tell us your take. What makes you stand here, do things for this noble cause?
Well, I am personally very happy to be here. Actually, a few months later, we were attending GFRS. We were attending stalls. Now,
Did you visit?
Yeah, we did visit GFRS. We went there. We talked.
No. The Advita Center.
No, I have seen videos. I'm yet to visit. They were the ones who went there and they helped the children.
Tell us what you have to offer, what you want to sell, and what specifications are there, and how nomenclature as well.
Okay. So first of all, we have earrings. And these are all handmade. These are representing the tribal art, and these go so well with the sarees that we are wearing right now because they can go so well with our outfits. We have our keychains. They're also representing the tribal art. These are wall hangings. These are bookmarks because everybody uses a decent bookmark. These are colorful ones. These are decent ones. We also
Guys, price are very competitive. It's 50, 100. Wow.
Yeah, because first of all, they are made by differently abled students, so we cannot.
Specially abled students.
Yeah, especially able students. We also had diaries. They're all sold out because they were so beautiful that people. Yeah,
The diaries were so aesthetically
And
pleasing.
they all are sold now.
No,
एक single
Wow.
piece भी नहीं
they're all sold out. We don't have a single piece left. We have mugs, we have black mugs and white mugs, and then we have these amazing paintings over here. This is some mirror work. This is all paintings, and
This is on wooden and this is fabric material. Fabric.
Have you mentioned the name of the creator, the one who painted it?
No, we've not.
There's no specific one.
Yeah,
Like,
so
they
it's like
all
3-4 children together make one piece.
Yeah, so have you mentioned the name of the group?
बेसिकली मैं बताती हूँ सर कभी भी कोई काम कोई एक स्टूडेंट या कोई भी एक नहीं करता
Exactly.
उसमें अलग अलग होते हैं जैसे ड्रॉ टीचर ने किया आफ्टर दैट फिलिंग एक स्टूडेंट ने किया फिर मिरर वर्क किसी दूसरे ने किया पेंट दूसरे ने किया तो एटलीस्ट हर पेंटिंग या किसी भी वर्क पे 4 to 5 स्टूडेंट्स का एक ग्रुप होता है जो उनकी एबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंगली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है कि आप
Fair
ये
enough.
करेंगे आप ये करेंगे
Fair enough. Okay, the integrator. Tell me, where's the brand image? Logo बना है?
Yeah.
Where's the logo?
We have logo in this, we have logo in our
No, on product.
on packaging. We didn't invest that much.
Okay. So, yeah, yet to come with so many things, but the cause is very noble, and I wish everyone who's seeing it will be showing their number on the screens. So you call them directly. I think we all need to support it. I'm going to support myself as well. Thank you. Supposedly there are 4-5 tribal members who are dancing. I don't know for what reason they are not having their own tribal dresses, their heritage cultural dresses. They are wearing jeans and jackets. We're gonna find out if what's the specific reason why they've been not provided the ultimate dress that could represent their own culture, and if they are being forced to dance. We're gonna find out. We have the MLA, Mr. Satish Upadhyay ji, with us. We're gonna ask them what's the purpose, sir.
देखिए ये 12 नवंबर को जो यशोभूमि में ट्राइबल बिजनेस एग्रो लगाया गया है और सरकार का बहुत अच्छा प्रयास है। गौरव जनजातीय दिवस को भी सरकार बहुत विशेष रूप से मना रही है और ख़ास करके फिक्की का भी इसमें एक बहुत बड़ा योगदान है, जिसमें जो हमारे आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाने के लिए जो सुदूर गांव से और दूर से जो हमारी ट्राइबल हैं वो सब लोग अपने प्रोडक्ट को यहाँ लेकर के आ रहे हैं, तो उनको एक बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है अपने प्रोडक्ट को आगे ले जाने का। इस प्रयास की जितनी तारीफ की जाए उतनी कम है।
बिल्कुल सर, बहुत नोबल कॉज है। मुख्य धारा से जोड़ने का एक बहुत ही सराहनीय काम है। उपाध्याय जी, मुझे ये जानना है कि कभी ऐसा तो नहीं होगा कि ट्राइबल्स और क्राफ्टमैन्स होंगे, उन्हें मिडिल मैन आके उनका बिजनेस ले और सिर्फ उन्हें एक छोटा सा हिस्सा दें, या उनको वैल्यू दी जाएगी टू द वेरी बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड?
देखिए सरकार ने जो ये कदम उठाया है और मंत्रालय इसके बीच में है और तमाम तरह के जो फिल्टर्स हैं वो फिल्टर्स भी जो ग्रुप बने हुए हैं, समूह बने हुए हैं, एसएनजी बने हुए हैं, वो उनके माध्यम से इसमें किसी का भी शोषण नहीं हो सकता है और इसलिए उनको प्रोडक्ट को लाना, प्रोडक्ट को उनको सही उसका दाम मिलना और एम्पावरमेंट होना, तो उसके लिए सरकार ने बहुत सारे कदम उठाए हैं और उस कारण से ही आज आप देख सकते हैं कि एक छोटे से आंध्र प्रदेश से वहाँ की कॉफ़ी यहाँ पर आकर, वहाँ के टर्मरिक यहाँ पर आकर, ये सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पर जो इन गंधम एग्रो के माध्यम से इनको एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिला है, तो ये अपने आप में एक बड़ी बात है और निश्चित रूप से सरकार इस बात का ध्यान भी रखती है और सरकार ने इस तरह के फिल्टर्स भी लगाए हैं जिसमें इन लोगों का किसी भी तरह का शोषण ना हो और इनको सम्मान मिलना चाहिए, जो इनको उचित मूल्य मिलना चाहिए, वो निश्चित रूप से मिलेगा।
धन्यवाद सर, बहुत सराहनीय कदम। We just had a word with the local MLA, Mr. Satish Upadhyay, and they are saying they are here to uplift and connecting these tribals from all over India to the mainstream markets and to give them an outreach to uplift their lifestyles. The only fear which I have is middlemen who could take the products which they are creating or whatever they could grow in their particular specific geographic areas, and the people could extract every bit of a profit in their own pockets rather than giving them to the very bottom of the pyramids, that is directly to the tribal men's. All right, let's go a bit to the northeastern part of our country. Here, let's see, it's Sincerely Bridal. Let's speak with the people. They're from Manipur. Hi ma'am, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Gladdy Vaipe. Yes, I'm from Manipur and this is what I do. I have a store in Nagaland. I also have a store in Lachpat Nagar Central Market. And we create one of the most beautiful wedding gowns.
They are indeed very beautiful. They are hand stitched.
She is the flower maker and she handmade all these flowers. She's so creative. She's cut it and her name is Grace and I train her and she's expert now.
Wow.
Yes. So we manufacture wedding gown according to the customer's specification and then the kind of style that they want, we incorporate in the gown and the shape and size. You know, we're so blessed with all the plus sizes in India.
Wow. So we'll be showing the number on the screen.
9818-218-515. So 9818-218-515. Central Market, Lachpat Nagar and Dimapur. Okay, see you guys. We have a favorite line. Find the girl, we have the gown.
What a great line. Find the girl, we have the gown. Guys, basically, the people who are living in the metropolitan cities, here in Delhi NCR as well, we all are living in a bubble. We do not know actually how the people in different states live their life, what are their livelihoods, what have they been doing culturally for so many years, what exactly they had to do. All of them are not craftsmen, some of them are farmers, some of them could grow GI tagged products. See, it is such a noble cause to connect them, giving them an outreach. I know there are certain businesses who are trying to exploit them and take the most of the part of the revenue, but it's just a start. In time, as their awareness would grow, as they would understand the dynamics of this industry and the markets, they would take the headrun and they would start doing it. So every bit of it is actually deserve to be appreciated. Let's just go and find out another kiosk. Just give it a brief what you're selling and what are the specifications.
So basically, if you see, we have handmade paper. Maximum products are like handmade paper, where we have a handmade paper unit in Kolkata, and we are employing approximately 200 artisans who help us to create these beautiful products. Apart from that, we have Sabai grass, which is a very important product from Purulia, where we have a bigger community. So they create these products and they have multiple products. Along with that, we have some cotton handloom products. We have candles. Then we have books, and we have artists who work on etching, which is called as engraving on ceramics. There's this Purulia mask. So Purulia is very popular for the Chow mask event. So they dance wearing the mask, which you can see here. So this is the mask which they actually wear. However, we have done a design innovation where we have made these masks into a proper home decor item, so that it can be also be functional. So mirror has been added. We have our 4 pillars. We are starting with homestays, where tribals will be operating themselves. People can go there, they can stay in these tribal homes, and this tribal people will be managing everything, whereas we'll take care of the marketing part. The product is also there. We have our studios where the training is provided.
Basically, like an Airbnb, but for tribal.
For tribal, absolutely, wow. You got it. So it's like an Airbnb. We'll be managing. We have an app where we'll be taking the bookings, the studio bookings, the workshop will be conducted, retreats will be conducted. Purulia is very rich in terms of natural resources as well as tourism spots. So there's waterfall treks. We are planning to conduct retreats where people can come, they can rejuvenate.
Have you already started it?
Yeah, the retreats are already in process. We are working. The studios are also there, but the homestay is something we are looking forward to. And I'm sure within the end of this year, or maximum by January, we'll be ready with the homestay part.
So the number of Suman Samantha will be on your screen. As authentic as it can be, you got to live with them, do what they does, and be a part of their lifestyle. What more can one ask for when it comes to exploring? Do contact her. There's so much to offer.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
All right, guys, moving on. Let's go to kiosk number 109, and it is Taru Naturals. Hi, ma'am. What's your name?
I'm Ruchi Jain. I'm the founder and CEO of Taru Naturals. Taru means tree in Sanskrit. वो एक कम्युनिटी ट्री है, मतलब हम लोग 17 स्टेट में 17 स्टेट्स में काम करते हैं. एंड बेसिकली व्हाट वी डू इज दैट वी डू एंड टू एंड वैल्यू चेन्स फॉर द फार्मर्स. सो राइट फ्रॉम ग्रोइंग अप टिल द मार्केट लिंकेजेस. So we have many community farmers we work with, and we give mentoring service to them.
So basically facilitate end-to-end process.
Exactly. Yes.
Wow.
So that means we work with heirloom varieties of rice, wheat, millets, and many different products which are not found, like forgotten grains. फिर उसके बाद हम लोग मार्केट लिंकेज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमने रेस्टोरेंट्स को देते हैं. We supply to almost 100 restaurants across Mumbai.
Tell us, ma'am, what are those forgotten grains?
So for example, ये बोरा ये असम का एक स्टिकी राइस है. और ये जो देख रहे हो हम लोग गोंदा ये गोंदा डाला हुआ है हमारी पैकेजिंग में. और ये है दिंदोरी मध्य प्रदेश से आर्टिस्ट. और ये स्टिकी राइस हमने असम से लिया है. तो ये काफ़ी मतलब लोगों को, शेफ्स को पता नहीं इसके बारे में. और हमारे D2C वेबसाइट में हम लोग होम डिलीवरी भी देते हैं, tarunaturals.com. और ये है फॉर एग्जांपल ब्लैक राइस. तो ये ब्लैक राइस मणिपुर से और असम से भी आता है. तो ये हम लोग खरीदते हैं काफ़ी. और ये
What's the cost for this black rice?
ये हम लोग बल्क में हम लोग 250 रुपीज़ पर केजी करते हैं. एंड अदरवाइज 179 रुपीज़ हमारा डायरेक्ट टू कस्टमर 500 ग्राम्स का कॉस्ट है. सो हमने मिलेट्स खरीदे एंड हमारी फैक्ट्री है ये मुंबई में. तो वहाँ पे हमारा पूरा क्वालिटी कंट्रोल होता है. और फिर हम लोग ये बहुत सारे स्टोर्स में सप्लाई करते हैं और हमारे वेबसाइट से भी बिकता है. तो जैसे स्नैकिंग आइटम्स हो गई, तो मतलब एंड टू एंड है, घी है, जैगरी है.
So basically, ma'am, when you procure them and when you facilitate in the whole process, do you give them an equity? Do you share the revenue? How does it work?
सो अभी हम लोग उनको फेयर ट्रेड प्राइस देते हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल उन्होंने हमें ये कोटेशन दिया, तो हम लोग बार्गेन नहीं कर रहे हैं. अगर बार्गेन करते भी हैं, अगर उसमें है, तो वो इसलिए है क्योंकि वो बल्क में हम लोग खरीद रहे हैं.
Today it may be facilitation, they are enabling it, but at least the outreach is going ahead for the farmers.
Absolutely.
Such a noble entrepreneurship. Great to know, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for that.
We're now with the Lipan art. Hi, what's your name?
I'm Divya.
Hi, Divya. What are you exhibiting?
I'm exhibiting Lipan art, mirror mosaic, and mandala.
Tell us more about this Lipan art. What it is?
This is basically from Gujarat. The region is from Kutch, and it is made in on the walls with mud and cow dung.
What else? I mean, I could see so many other things.
Mirror mosaic is with made up of mirrors and that chemical is putty basically. And
So gypsum.
yes, and this one is again Lipan art. The blue one is the mirror mandala.
Do you sell them directly to consumers?
Yes, I do.
From where?
From online and as well as if I get any calls.
So if one wish to buy it, are you on Amazon?
No, not now.
All right. Which platform?
So actually, I get calls through Instagram.
Oh.
Yes.
What's the response of the consumer? Do they buy more often?
They take more of workshops. Like they like to learn it. They want to create their own pieces.
Do they give you some sort of remuneration for that?
Yes.
All right. Very good. So the last question would be, what is that material for creating
paper
Ganesha?
mache. This is paper mache. This is made up of newspaper. This is purely eco-friendly and the colors are chalk colors.
All right. For Ganesh Chaturthi, to be more sustainable.
Actually, it was made for that purpose only.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much and best of luck. Now we are here at the kiosk that is called Shabri Naturals. It is obviously from Maharashtra and they have so many inherent natural products to offer created by tribals from the local area, especially from Nasik. We have the presenter and the exhibitor over here. We'll ask what they have. Hi sir, what's your name?
My name is Prashant Brahmankar.
So what are you exhibiting?
Yeah, we are exhibiting one of various premium promising brand of Maharashtra. Under the Shabri Naturals, more than 50 tribal products are currently involved. These all are products made from mahua. This is the mahua laddu. This is mahua syrup, mahua oil, the soap made from mahua oil, the moisturizer made from mahua oil, chocolates, mahua chocolates, mahua raisins, then avla candy.
Prashantji, what is mahua in layman?
Mahua is a tree which in the forest.
Do you have a specimen? Okay.
Yes. These are dried mahua flowers.
I mean, how come it is possible a single flower could be used for preparing so many things? I mean, you can have resin of it, oil of it, ointment.
Yeah, the oil is made from mahua seed, not from flower. But other products are made from mahua flower. One of the main.
Even the wine.
Mahua wine. Mahua wine is also one of the most premium and promising products of.
Is this GI tag?
Currently, this is not under GI, but we are planning to go for GI.
Yeah.
Mahua is generally known for liquor, mahua liquor.
Especially in Bihar as well.
In all over India, in the world.
And it is specifically made by tribals?
It is specifically made, the flowers are procured by tribals. It is made under winery with the help of wine expert.
To maintain the quality overall.
To maintain the quality, and wine is for making a wine, controlled fermentation process is required. Therefore, it happens only in the winery.
So are you retailing it all over India? Have you registered on Amazon, Flipkart, website like that?
Actually, we have our own e-commerce platform. known as Shabri Naturals.
Shabri
हाँ,
Naturals.
and
So you're merely not facilitating it, but also distributing the benefits to the very last beneficiary, and also looking for distributors maybe here.
currently we are trying to do marketing through our federation only on our e-commerce platform.
And if
that's-
somebody would want to connect with you as a distributor, would you facilitate that?
yeah, he can come to us and we can negotiate with.
We'll be sharing the number on screen. You can contact with the federation directly if you wish to be a distributor. So guys, that was the end of our coverage for Tribal Business Conclave 2025. We have introduced you with some of the most unique and some of the most insightful businesses that are being started by tribals and the craftsmen. They are showing their inherent heritage and their craftsmanship. Especially the government federations are here to support them and to train them. If you wish to be part of the supply chain, be as a distributor or retailer, be more than happy to contact the numbers which we have shared with you all throughout our coverage. This is Lokesh for Expo Media signing out. Thank you.